Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a webhook and send messages on Discord in just a few simple steps. First, click on your server icon in the left sidebar to open your server view. The server's main channel list and chat area load in the center of the screen. Then click the server name dropdown at the top left to open the server menu. A dropdown appears with options including server settings, privacy settings, notification settings, and several other server management options. From the menu, click Server Settings. The Server Overview Settings page opens with a sidebar on the left, showing all the settings categories. In the Settings sidebar on the left, click Integrations to open the Integrations page. On the Integrations page, click Webhooks. You'll see a list of any webhooks already created for this server. Click on the webhook you want to use. In this case, I'm selecting SpideyBot. To open its details panel on the right, the panel shows the webhook name, icon, channel destination, and the webhook URL you need. Click Copy Webhook URL, and you'll see a copied confirmation message appear briefly. Now open DiscoHook in a new tab, and paste your webhook URL into the webhook URL field at the top. Type your message in the message box below and click Send to post it to your Discord channel. You can edit a webhook's name and channel at any time from the same settings panel. Just click it again to reopen the details. If your message doesn't appear in Discord after clicking Send, check that the webhook URL is complete and hasn't had any characters cut off when pasting. Each webhook is tied to one specific channel, so if you want to post to multiple channels, you'll need to create a separate webhook for each one. And that's how to create a webhook and send messages on Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.